Did you know that the Chinstrap penguin is named for the thin black band under its chin, resembling a strap holding its distinctive white helmet in place? These resilient birds are known for their agility in the water, using their flipper-like wings to propel themselves through the icy Antarctic seas in search of food. One fascinating fact about Chinstrap penguins is their communal nesting behavior, as they gather in large colonies on rocky shores to breed and raise their chicks. With their unique markings and indomitable spirit in the face of harsh Antarctic conditions, Chinstrap penguins serve as a symbol of resilience and endurance in the frozen wilderness.